Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Barclays account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into our Barclays account on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address barclays.com and hit on enter, and then it'll be directed to the home page of Barclays over here. Now in order to proceed to log into our account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the online banking option available for us. Click on that online banking, and over here guys you can see there are three ways of logging into your Barclays account, either with your membership number or with your card number or with your sort code and account number. Whichever you have in your grasp, you can proceed with that. So for me, I'll be just going through my membership number, and it's the last name over here, and enter your membership number, the 12 digits number of your membership number guys. And after that, click on continue button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Barclays bank account online on your computer. And that guys, this is how you log into your Barclays account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.